What's up, y'all? Tyson here, looking at this boat. I'm always buying stuff. I mean, always. So if you like to watch people buy shit, follow me, subscribe. All right, so we're gonna take all these off. So, there's Jackson, cameraman. I'm the camera guy right now. It's very dirty. Very dirty. I bought a boat like this though, and the seats come clean pretty easy. The battery's obviously dead. It's been sitting for 2 years. I think we're gonna get it, clean it up. Nice little pop on it here, still good. Good 125 motor right here. Real simple, easy to work on motor. New tires. Yep, new tires. I mean, Sea Ray, good brand boat. If anyone get it, clean her up, take her out. Got Ron, Frank up there ahead of us. We're about to take the old boat out. It's back there. First time taking it out. We're about to go get some food on the lake. Then we're gonna cast out the old catfishing poles and try to catch some catfish. Ain't that right, Ron? Hell yeah. I like to take Ron's phone and look at it and text people back. I also like to get on his Instagram and message other men and say that I'm gay. Of course they think it's him. All right, y'all. We're gonna catch some fish. Oh, wow. What a good friend. He is a diehard Vandy fan, and he got me mediums, though. I'm not really a medium type guy, but I mean, he got me Tennessee shorts. So we've been out here waiting for about an hour for Frank. Finally, the dude shows up. At least he brought some goodies. Literally. I smell them. So we're gonna go eat and then fish. There goes Maple Motors. Probably Nick. All right, one day he's gonna learn how to untie. See y'all later. Oh, 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 oh. Smack, smack, smack. Oh! Motherfucker! Oh shit, we're gonna wreck. Yeah, girl, you really got me now. Please stop. Oh, fuck. The D. The fuck, dude? Ron,
you're gonna weed eat all day tomorrow.
Put the anchor out, please.
No.
Why? Why will you not put the anchor out, Frank?
Alright, fine. I think he's got a boner. Golly. He just don't want nobody to see.
Fuck that. He does, that's what it is. Tuck it in your waistband, come on. Oh. There we go. Alright, now put the anchor out. Hurry. Hurry. There's these 3 girls coming around, and they're gonna think we're creeps if we don't have the anchor out because we circle this island around.
Hey, what's up? My name's Tyson. I got a fat, a boat, a big truck, and a house. You want it or not?
Dude, don't answer that. Who is it? Who? You didn't even answer, you dumbass. Who is it? Hey, put the anchor out, Rod.
Wow, this would be a perfect place, dude. Marsh,
please put the anchor out.
Grass growing. I mean, this is perfect place. And oh, let me hold my beer.
All right, Justin Ferry. Hey, Ron, I got a real good idea. It involves putting the freaking anchor out before we go into the bank. Because we're literally going to the bank.
Please, there they are right there. Oh my God.
Ron, fucking put it out, dude.
Oh God,
Jesus Christ.
Look.
Ankles. Oh my God.
Put the freaking ankle out, Ron. Put the ankle out. Please,
Anchor,
Ron.
down!
Don't ever do that
You
again.
scared him away.
Literally, they're turning around. There's the girls that we were talking about.
Where's it at?
I told you, it's in one of the cubbies up there. This guy. What? We didn't want plankton back
Oh,
here.
look, they stopped. They're playing. They're playing. I have to go see.
That is not redneck ingenuity at all. That is break Tyson's boat all to pieces. I'm tied up there
No.
where it goes.
No.
Are you gonna pay for this when it gets whipped off? Dude!
He's drunk.
Ron, please, for the love of God, put it where it's supposed to go.
God, please, for the love of God, no.
I'm never bringing Ron.
Yeah,
Kevin, Ron, Denny,
because
you're
Kevin,
not.
Ryan, Denny didn't pay for
$15
gas
for gas.
or fucking do everything else that Tyson said or Frank said.
You clearly ain't doing everything that Tyson said or Frank, because we both asked you. Look, it's.
Look,
Oh my God.
I am a free slave.
Oh my God.
All right.
Look at it. Oh no. Come on, dude. We're
It'll catch it. It'll catch it.
it's not gonna catch. Get your grimy feet off there.
Look, it'll catch it. I promise you.
No, it's gonna continue to go. Please tie it up there on the damn hook. I've never want to see a human fall in so bad in my life, more than right now.
You gonna save me like a little girl?
No, I'm not gonna save you.
Save me! I need saving! I need Jesus!
Look, there's a bunch of people eating right here, Ross. There's a bunch of people in here eating, Ross. Dude, you're literally about to flip, bro. Oh shit! Keep going! Go! 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 Fast!
No, stop.
Go!
Stop.
Yeah, go!
Stop.
Go! Well, my favorite turkey hat. Frank had the hook.
Can't even spell turkey hat.
Look at this. I
You
mean,
don't even know when you got that turkey.
yeah, I do.
Probably last year at Walmart on clearance.
Walmart don't sell these type of hats, buddy.